Welcome back everyone. I hope you're doing well and staying safe. So today's topic is the most demanded topic, as you know many folks have reached out to me asking what their career path should be in order to offer cloud, and these folks are both the freshers and the experienced. So when I say experience, they are those professionals who are working as a software developer, who are working as a network security engineer, network engineer, Linux administrator, or a database engineer, and so on, right? And for the freshers, these are those folks who are pursuing the college degree, graduation, or they have completed the graduation recently, right? So today this video is dedicated for those folks, right? So let's begin. So first, let's divide the two folks into two different categories, right? First, we'll talk about the freshers, and then we'll switch over to the experienced one, okay? Now let's talk about the freshers, right? So these are the freshers who are recent graduate or they are pursuing their graduations, right? So for them, what I would suggest you can just explore AWS certification. See, for the cloud, I'm just talking about the AWS, right? There are different vendors like Microsoft, Google, and so on, right? But in this video I'll be talking just about AWS, as because I have experience into AWS and I know my stuffs, right? So I'll be telling you regarding the AWS. Rest, if you're interested in exploring Microsoft, then go for Azure. If you're interested in exploring Google, go for GCP cloud, right? So first, the most important thing is take up an AWS Solution Architect Associate course, right? It's a basic course. See, if you go to this AWS certification page, I'll give you the description down below as well. So if you go to that certification page, you will see the basic courses AWS Cloud Practitioner course, right? But I would not suggest you, as you are tech enthusiast, so don't go for that, because that's a very simple course. Rather go for AWS Solution Architect Associate course. So there is no prerequisite in order to learn this technology. You can directly jump over to this course, okay? So first take AWS Solution Architect Associate course. So once you are done with this course, then see what were the services that interest you, right? So after that, just explore different services, like do a little bit hands-on on the AWS console as well, right? And see what are the services that interest you, like was it a networking, was it a security, was it a database, was it a big data, machine learning, and so on, right? So if you're curious to jump over this different sectors, so AWS has a specialty course as well, right? So today I will talk to you about those specialty courses as well, okay? And not just this is also helpful for the developers as well. Let's say you are a developer, you love Java, you love Python, you love your stuff doing codes, cool codes. So for them, what I would suggest you take AWS Solution Architect Associate course, and then go for AWS Developer Associate course, right? And then you can jump onto the professional certification, which are DevOps professionals, right? So in this way, what the software developer can do, he or she can make use of existing knowledge that they have, and then use those knowledge into AWS Cloud by learning those services, right? So because to learn cloud, you have to be multi-talented. You should be an expert in one of the technology, like you are a developer, you have a good hands-on experience over Python, Go language, Java, anything, right? And then you're learning AWS services. So this combination will make you fit for the cloud, right? And for the folks who want to switch to cloud networking, cloud security, cloud database and all, right, there are specialty certifications which you can explore, like AWS Networking Specialty, Security Specialty, Database Specialty, Big Data Specialty, Data Analytics Specialty, and so on, right? So these are the specialty certifications that you can explore. But from the base, what I would suggest you, first take AWS Solution Architect Associate course, and then explore the different certification, what services covers under those certifications, and then learn those those courses. That's it. So this is for the freshers. Second, we'll talk about the experienced folks. So for the experienced folks, let's say someone is a network engineer and now he wants to jump into cloud. So what I would suggest them, I would suggest them to learn AWS Solution Architect Associate first, okay? Once you are done with that, you'll get an idea what is EC2, what is IAM and all, okay? And then learn AWS Networking Specialty certification, right? So go for this course as well, right? If you want to be a cloud network engineer. Now if you want to be a cloud security, so you're already working as a security engineer at some company, now you want to switch to cloud. So now what I would suggest you just go through AWS Solution Architect Associate course again, right? Because this is the basic course that I would suggest for everyone, be it fresher or experienced. And second, you can go for AWS Security Specialty, right? And then try to look for the companies where there's any openings, So these are the career transition that you can make. Similar goes for a database, like let's say you're a database engineer at XYZ company and you want to switch to cloud, again go for AWS Solution Architect Associate course, right? And then go for AWS Database Specialty. In this similar way, you can go with big data, you can go with data analytics and so on, right? So this is the thing. So first you have to make your basics clear. You have to know what is AWS, what is cloud, what are the services. For that you have to learn AWS Solution Architect Associate course, although this course also doesn't cover every services, to be honest, right? Because there are ample of services in AWS cloud, right? So you have to research more and more by doing the courses, right? Once you're done with this course, then you can take up the specialization or the professional course, whatever suits your interest, right? So I hope this video would be helpful to you and many of your doubts have been cleared by this video. And if you have any other doubts, just feel free to comment down on the comment box. I will look for every comments and I will try my best to reply you over the comments. This video I have made in English so that it can reach out to mass, to every person around the globe who are into IT sector, and they want to transition to cloud, but at the time they are just stuck because they don't know the proper transition how to make, right? So I thought, why not to make a video in English itself, so that it can reach out to every people. So this was the only motive to speak in English. That's it. So I hope this video would be helpful to you. And if you like the content, do like the video and subscribe to the channel as it keeps me motivated. So once again, take care. Bye bye.